Either you work hard for it or you don't work hard for it. Well, me and my brother, we work hard for our stuff. It don't come easy. In life, you have to work. Either you want to be the shark of the ocean.
So no matter how great the setback, how severe the failure, you never give up. You never give up.
Is it true you turned down $100 million to play in China?
Yes.
100 million, I'm gone. See ya. I'm out of here.
Money is not important. A lot of money is important.
The limitations exist only in our minds, and if you start using imaginations, then your possibilities become limitless. So that's kind of a mindset that I have. I use my imagination. I do see myself.
Mr. Meth, you know how we do.
Se acabó.
Free drinks in the house. Word. Everybody drinking tonight. Get that weed.
Venga, buenas tardes, tíos. Bueno, primero de todo, a Frank Kessier, felicidades y bienvenido a tu nuevo equipo, a tu nueva familia.
And he say, Cristiano, we have money, we have everything, we have fame. And he say, I have millions, billions, but the most important thing is the family. Keep your family healthy, good, and take care of your